Okay, today let's talk about PDF requirement for the FDA submissions. Um, since we usually submit PDF files instead of doc or RTF files, so this one is very important. But this guide is also applicable to the RTF guide because usually when you create PDF files for table listing figures or other files, you usually have the RTF file first and then use some SAS macros to convert them into PDF files so they share many the same content here. Okay, let's go down. So this guide will go through most of these sections. Okay, first just a very general introduction about the purpose of this one and about the PDF versions. So they can accept both 1.4 until 1.7, and this is the most common versions we typically have for the PDF versions. Okay, so they don't want some JavaScript this content or like audio, video, and whatever these things. So although it's not common, we have this for the for our outputs or PDF files. Okay, so and also no password or some protection setting. Okay, for the fonts, so this one is important when you create table listing figures in your SAS programs. You have a proc template to set up the fonts of the outputs. So what I'm suggesting is only include these three types of fonts: Times New Roman, Arial, and Serif New. So only these three fonts in your tables. You just choose one of the three. Okay, and the font size, this one's important. So my recommendation is just use 10. This will have one size fit all. So you just in case if you set to 12, sometimes you have less content you can present in one page. So but if you set to 9, it may have some marginal conflict when you have PDF files converted from RTF files. They may have some very minor requirement conflict, so just try to avoid that. The 10 is the best one. Just use 10. That will be very free for any of your outputs. Okay, and for the narrative test, they recommend 12. It's quite normal. Okay, and let's go down. Of course, it usually uses the black for the font color and page orientation. So usually we use landscape. Very few outputs they may want portrait. Depends on the layout. Okay, so this page size and margins is quite normal. For each of your outputs, RTF and PDF is 8.5 times 11. And for the margins, here there's many margins requirement like 3, 8, like 3, 4 here. But my recommendation is make it very free, and I suggest for the margins you set to 1 inch for all. So the left, right bottom and top, so all set to 1, so that your outputs, RTF and PDF, will be very free and satisfy all the requirements. Because sometimes we set it to this or that, we sometimes convert to from RTF to PDF. There's technically there's a very slightly or fractional change that will have some kind of limit to satisfy this requirement. Okay, that's 1 inch for all buttons, tops, left or right. Okay, and so this one just avoid image-based PDF file. It's quite normal. And okay, so for this section it's quite straightforward. For programming we usually don't have this too much cases. And so this one they want faster web view. So when you create a PDF file, you can set this after your PDF file is ready using Adobe Acrobat. Okay, this is not quite related to stat programming. It's just a post-processed. Sometimes like it's good to have like a table of content. If your outputs are long, you put hyperlinks and bookmarks. Okay. And here for the bookmarks, hyperlinks, they want to inherit zone, which this one is to try to display the same magnification level used in the primary document. And this initial view settings, again, this can be this one can be modified after PDF file is ready. And about naming PDF files, so again, in my other videos I talk about, so usually use lowercase and avoiding special characters except these two. My recommendation is lowercase, and using the hyphens, even not underscores, because sometimes underscore cause the naming problems when you load files into a submission system. Okay, lowercase and numbers and letters. Okay, like this. Okay, no uppercase. And this one is not quite related to stat programming. Okay, so again, that's all for today. Hopefully it's good for your daily study work, programming, or submission. So remember, whenever you talk about PDF, it's always related to RTF, because most of the time RTF will be converted to PDF to be submitted. So when you set up your system, so try to have these documents in hand and make your programming very free when you do the submission later. Okay, hopefully will help. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.